obviously the black Ibiza's not finished yet. I'm going back on Monday night after work to actually drop the engine in. The 3-inch exhaust on this car rattles a little bit when it idles. It's just a feature, you know what I mean? It's really foggy today, so I'm meeting up with Andy, my cousin. So that's the plan. Meet Andy, wash our cars. I think he's going in his Morris because his TT's off the road at the moment. Trying to put a new intake manifold on it and shit's gone a bit sideways. And he's doing some other stuff. He's getting basically a catch cam fit. Well, he's fitting it himself, but yeah, B&Q car park we're meeting. Right, let's shoot him a text saying that we're setting off. Young money. Andy broke his car even more. The alternator is fucked, so we're rebuilding it in the Halfords car park because that's apparently what you do when you go on a road trip with this cunt.
Road trip!
He just breaks his car. So yeah, we're rebuilding his alternator with a hammer, by the way. With a hammer.
I think I have a spare brush in here though. Might do, maybe not.
Why do you have a bungee?
That's not
a bungee. That's something that's been cut. Why have you cut it though?
No, that's how it fits in the Dizzy. You screw it in.
Factory standard, just slice it.
Fits in the Dizzy like that, you cunt. I'm not sure I can put this together until I get... It shouldn't be able to go in like this, but it's going in like this.
Is this thing going to make it to however many miles we're going?
I'm afraid it might die.
What do you think I got the toe strap for? Speaking of which, it's nearly like actually worn itself in half.
Your toe strap?
On the back, because it touches the floor so much. Wow, that's gone.
That's there. Oh, yeah. That's
something else that you dropped.
No, that shouldn't have been in there, but it was in there.
Yeah, my rear toe strap touches the floor, and it's literally worn itself down so much it's nearly like 2 pieces. Yeah, look at the bottom of that.
Oh, mint. So that's not going to tow anything, is it?
Yeah, it'll be alright. Just touches the floor a little bit. Wow. Is this guy expecting you at a certain time to... Yeah, so we're picking... Well, Andy's picking someone up in his car to take videos or photos or whatever, so we're having like a day of it. And what time is he expecting you there?
Soon. I don't even know what time it is because I've not even set my watch.
Soon o'clock.
Soon o'clock.
Or just check the dashboard clock.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, the working dashboard clock.
No, this thing doesn't have a clock. Oh, there goes my brush again. I need that. Oh, there goes my screwdriver again. I need that.
Turn them on. If you turn them on and tell me
There it is.
This is not going to work.
It'll work. He says. You know, famous last words, isn't it?
This one first. Turn them all off for me. Turn on. Turn off.
That's my finger.
Did it go? Did it go?
It's gone in, and I think the brushes are still connected.
Hey, she's mint.
Good as new, basically. Sick beats, isn't it? Oh, what have I dropped now? For fuck's sake! Oh, for goodness sake! Can I just have a drill?
So he's got the alternator back in, nearly.
Give or take.
Probably, hopefully, maybe working too.
Nah. That was never the aim of the game, was it?
What, to get it working?
Yeah. Found the bonnet. Do you speak that language? I think it's ordering food. Oh, I've tightened it up. I haven't even checked if it's tense.
Oh, that'll do. I hear noises.
I hear vroom vroom noises.
What was it? No, it's that 350, is it?
Yeah.
Is it a 350?
Here it is.
He's full of cans as well. Is he just fucking rev his car everywhere?
Fucking does, doesn't it?
To be fair, I would if my exhaust sounded like that. Where's he off?
Don't know. Making a day of it, isn't he? Parking it.
Next step.
Eat the nuts.
On that note, we'll be right back. What the fuck? You're indicating left. Why are you indicating left?
Yeah, that's not fixed it.
Why? What's it doing?
It's clicking.
Are you right? Is it still charging?
Nope.
Oh. F.
Yeah. It's second ever wash.
Second ever wash? You've had it for a year, haven't you?
Yeah.
Fuck's sake. To be honest, my Corolla's never had a wash though.
To be honest, he's spent most of his time like on jack stands, hasn't he? So.
Yeah. So, just wash the machine. Now we're going to do Andy's.
You got a couple of quid?
Oh yeah, I do actually. Do you have the keys?
I've been shitting myself a little bit there. Oh, watch the glassware.
How much do you want? 2 or 3 or?
I don't know.
Are you...
5.2. I won't need more than. Have you got a quid?
I did. Where the fuck's that gone then?
Is it a banger? Yeah.
As with any road trip, you know we had to go to Mackie D's. So here's the new engine. This is the TT engine. This is the one that's going in. And now we just need to get the gearbox on it and some other little things, and then we can chuck it back in the car. That's the plan anyway.